The Ford Bronco Sport Trail Rig is for adventurers looking to elevate their off-road trekking in a small, rugged 4x4. The Bronco Sport Trail Rig amps up the Badlands series model by adding 31-inch BFGoodrich Mud-Terrain T KM3 tires, a 1-inch lift kit, plus Ford performance by rigid LED off-road lights mounted to a front nudge bar. On top, a Yakima LockNLoad Platform roof rack and off-road gear mounts are designed to carry gear like a high lift jack kit, performance recovery boards, and jerry cans.